Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're exploring the innovative and impactful field of industrial engineering. Industrial engineering focuses on optimizing complex processes, systems, and organizations. This discipline aims to improve efficiency, productivity, and quality in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. Industrial engineering covers various subfields, including operations research, systems engineering, manufacturing engineering, logistics, and supply chain management. At its core, industrial engineering is about designing and improving systems to make them more efficient and effective. This includes streamlining production processes, improving quality control, and optimizing resource allocation. The industrial engineering workflow involves several stages: analyzing existing processes, designing improved systems, implementing changes, and monitoring performance. Engineers use tools like statistical analysis, simulation software, and lean manufacturing techniques to identify inefficiencies and develop solutions. The goal is to enhance productivity, reduce costs, and improve overall system performance. Industrial engineering has a transformative impact on various sectors. In manufacturing, industrial engineers design efficient production lines, reduce waste, and improve product quality. In healthcare, they streamline patient care processes, optimize resource use, and enhance service delivery. In logistics, industrial engineers manage supply chains, improve transportation networks, and ensure timely delivery of goods. Now, let's look at the future of industrial engineering. The field is rapidly evolving, with several trends shaping its trajectory. One significant trend is the integration of digital technologies. The use of big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things (IoT) is revolutionizing industrial processes. These technologies enable real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and data-driven decision-making. Sustainability and green engineering practices are becoming increasingly important. Industrial engineers are developing methods to reduce the environmental impact of production processes, such as minimizing waste, using renewable resources, and implementing energy-efficient practices. Sustainable supply chain management is also a key focus, aiming to create eco-friendly and resilient supply chains. The rise of Industry 4.0, characterized by the integration of cyber-physical systems and smart factories, is another major trend. This involves the use of advanced robotics, automated systems, and digital twins to enhance manufacturing processes. Industry 4.0 aims to create more flexible, efficient, and adaptable production environments. Human factors and ergonomics are also critical in industrial engineering. Engineers are designing work environments that enhance worker safety, comfort, and productivity. This includes developing ergonomic tools, improving workstation layouts, and ensuring that human-machine interactions are intuitive and efficient. In summary, industrial engineering is a dynamic and essential field that optimizes systems and processes across various industries. Its applications are vast, and its future is promising, driven by advancements in digital technologies, sustainability practices, Industry 4.0, and human factors engineering. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.